Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to control your Windows with your phone. You can control with Android and also you can control with iPhone. In the search bar type here setting, open settings, type here remote desktop setting. When you type remote you will see remote desktop setting. Click here, open this option, enable remote desktop, click here, then click on confirm. Now we enable remote desktop, close this page, come here, type cmd, then type here ipconfig. Look, it is our IP address 10.10.10.240. If you use Android, go to Play Store. If you use iPhone, go to App Store. Type here Microsoft Remote Desktop, then search this app. It is Remote Desktop. Install this app, then open. I want to delete this one. Okay. First time, click here in this plus icon. After that, click add PC, then click in add. Look here, host name or IP address. Enter your IP address. Our IP address is 10.10.10.240. Then click on save. Now click here, enter your username. My username is admin, and also enter your password. Then click on connect. Again click continue. Look, after a few seconds you will have access of your computer. Look here, it is our IP address. Here we have keyboard. Click on keyboard. If I write here CLS, then hit enter. We clean all of them. If I write here IP config, look, again we can see our IP address. When you touch your screen, you can control your mouse. I want to close this CMD. Look, guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. When I upload the new video, you will have notification. If you want to open this PC, just double click on this PC. Look here, I have OneDrive. You can maximize and also you can minimize. It is so interesting.